Welcome back to the Bird Chef. On this episode of Budget Friendly Meals, we're going to be making chicken noodle soup from the bones. Let's get started. First up, we're going to heat up our 12 cups of water. We're going to turn on our heat. We're going to add our chicken bones. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Salt and pepper to taste. Give that a little bit of a mix around. Make sure that salt and pepper gets blended in there. And we're going to put our lid on there, cover it up, let that come to a simmer, and then let that simmer for about an hour. Alright, so now that that broth is finished boiling, we've separated it from the bones. We have 4 cups worth of it right here. We're going to add that to our pot here. We're going to turn on our heat, and then to this we're going to add about a teaspoon of salt, a dash of pepper, half teaspoon each of garlic powder, parsley and celery seed, and a bay leaf. And we're going to let that come up to a boil, giving it a little bit of a stir. Alright, now that that's boiling, we're going to go ahead and add our vegetables. And about half cup of our noodles. Let that come back to a boil. We're going to boil that for about 8 minutes. Alright, now that that's finished boiling, we're going to remove our bay leaf from there. Set that aside. And we're ready to serve. There we have our lovely chicken noodle soup. And there we have our final budget-friendly meal. We have chicken noodle soup. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.